Okay, here we go. Okay, what's going on? Let's see what happens. I made red rock, I'm just one.
Nice.
They're definitely backing here, be careful.
In the back as well.
I'm streaming into one. It's Todd. Okay. I can green suicide apparently? That's really good.
There's a rank.
Oh, watch out, sorry.
Alright, pick them off.
Oh, I have
There's a
hammers.
nano on the right side of
Goodbye.
rail.
They reacted.
I go down with it. Yeah, there it is.
Okay, I'm one.
Oh, nice. I have mega.
Cut is trapped. Cut is trapped.
Opening.
Well, I'm just getting blasted. That's cool. Alright.
Okay.
Go, go, go. This is really good. Alright.
Yeah, black is available.
Oh,
Everyone is
bro.
failing on the Oh my
Sorry,
god.
maybe I should have thrown that, but it's kind of risky.
that's fine. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Sorry.
Careful of the back, they're gonna back here. Maybe I can outspeed them. I'm gonna follow him on the right. So. He's not even doing the strats.
So what is he doing?
What was the
I'm
plan,
gonna bump
bro?
them off. I'm in one.
Okay, we're top two, we're top two.
Control 8.
Oh, I have triple greens, be careful.
Oh, watch out with the gears.
Alright, just don't
I was
move.
traffic
Careful.
counting them.
Oh, I'll go around. I'll go
Yeah,
around.
thank you.
I'm bad.
I slimed him out.
Fuck.
My Indians, no.
They're not holding him one.
Feather, well,
Bottom three are very way
I've
behind.
been put down.
Are we? What is that?
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, the block first is wider.
Depends how our shroom luck is.
Probably.
I got two.
Yeah, I got a shroom.
I got a golden shell. Where's my item look, bro?
Oh my god.
I'm just getting blasted.
I'm red in cuts, okay. I made.
I'm done.
Oh,
What's
right.
up, dude?
I pulled shock after golden.
Okay.
Nice.
Alright, I've got them 10.
I have
I
shroom.
dodged in 4.
Okay, I'm gonna golden through this cut.
That's better. I actually
Yeah,
think
call.
that's better.
Well, I'll call after Creo when I take cuts.
Alright, have it
Okay,
out.
get ready. Activate.
Ooh.
Go, go, go.
Yeah.
I have a bill in 5.
Alright, top
we
six,
are-
top six, top six.
We are top
Up 6. Okay, hold it, hold it.
Hold, 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 hold. No cell. Oh no, they pulled shrooms. We're not keeping it.
Let's go. Damn it.
Go, go, go,
Wait, go, 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 go! Fridge their ass! Fridge their
No,
ass!
they pulled Bill.
No!
No, that was me, that was me, that was
Oh, wait,
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 wait.
top six.
Top 6?
Wait, is it?
Is that Fridge?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Take that
dude!
screenshot, take that screenshot.
Take that
Fridge.
screenshot. The fridge zone. Being in fear right now. They don't even know cow bounce? Are we for real? Nice back.
Oh,
Actually use.
We're all shocked in the sets, so okay, that's really cool.
I mean, oh my golden! I was about to win that shit. That was so free.
Okay, they just pull shock on meadows, so. What is their plan? It's sky high top 3.
I don't know. But they sure picked it, and we were considering picking it.
Yeah, what is the vision? This
He's
top
starring behind you.
those are quick rooms.
Oh, I have triple
they
reds.
put
Oh! That's
I
really
threw-
cool. Oh, they pulled triple reds. I'm holding blue.
Said
Are we
blue.
dead? They just...
You can throw.
Oh, yeah, we
Okay, throwing blue. Don't get ghosted. Oh, I shot.
That's so annoying.
Okay, I got
on my left hand.
bomb left. Okay. Nice, you got him.
Yeah.
Oh
Oh,
no.
no, you didn't. Wait, I've read.
Get his ass. Get his ass.
Oh, God. Oh!
It reached. Nice.
Okay. Yeah, I got 2.
It's not over yet. Oh, I pulled green. Sorry, Zach.
I thought it. I gotta head down.
Oh, I got the most OP defense ever though. I'm really be taking cut in time, so GG.
Oh, did you also get the double?
Oh yeah, I did. He didn't grab that.
Hanging.
Coin shell.
Oh, that coin shell.
Oh, I got coin shell too. Wait, double coin shell?
Double coin shell.
Okay, they all drove off the track, so I'm just one. Oh, hit the rock. Oh yeah.
Have fun running.
Coin shell in third?
Yeah. This guy is sitting in last, even though he's gone. Like, nice job, dude. Yeah, I hope that extra triple shrooms helps you, bro. Like, oh my god, there are triple reds in last. This guy is sitting on the
Triple red.
This guy is.
Not really.
No, my invips are ruined.
No, my. Wait, W shock, I win.
I'm so desperate now.
What the?
I'm getting 6th, I'm getting 5th.
I went
4th.
from 10th to 3rd off that shot.
Carton was on a mission to destroy my invibs, but it didn't matter because Falls is a really good track. Like,
That is an untrue statement.
Like, look at this sexy beast in front of me. Like, look at him. He's trying to get him right there. Come on. Yeah, you got him. I'll get him next. Tag team him, Dog Lord. Yeah.
and no driving off the track. If we lose, it's because they pull shock or they pull triple reds 3.
Oh, I guess has
Okay, we are gone top 3. Just go. GG. I got one of them.
you wanna get us
No shroom pullers unlucky though.
Yeah, I didn't pull through either.
Other
Bro,
billing and
Of course, how does he have a bill triple shroom?
Dude, Alexio. Dude, that's it. I'm warning him. Hang on.
Get his ass. Get his ass, yeah.
Okay, let's take
GG.
off him there.
It's fine. Crow and I are still going. I got a terrible cuts and Alexio is just in front of me now. That's so cool. I'm gonna be so aggressive here. I want to bomb his ass.
Wait, Graham, are you
Please take man.
kidding.
I
I'm
besting.
Wait,
It's
is
top
that a
2.
yes room?
Yeah, no, I'm.
Up to.
Oh, wait. Okay.
We have to bring you 6, perfect.
Off the
So green.
fancy shroom strats. I have
go on red a little bit.
What the, where am I going?
Baited, they got fucked off.
I'm off the. I made red rock on 1.
Yeah.
No one died.
I might drop that.
They just teleported.
I'm not getting. My hands.
Damn it.
I'm holding triple defense. I'm owned!
They sniped you with
Failed! I'm so bad. And then I kill Zach, no!
that was early.
They're still pretty good.
They're
at
all in the sets, everyone.
That was
They're Mega in 9.
Oh! I'm so bad.
No, he. I'm pretty sure Alexio
Grim.
is
Why?
sorry.
on. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I'm redded now.
I was aiming for Jared.
Off the track.
What the hell am I?
Did you just drive into my red?
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
I didn't even. I was just trying to green the yo guy on the right.
No, this fucking arrow.
I've bumped out Phoenix. I win.
Well, that was a war of all time.
That was the war of all time.